So I have two now. Season's greetings, everyone. Today I have kind of a kitschy Creepmas video for you. I guess Kitschmas? Scary Kitschmas? Creepy Kitschmas? Not sure. But even though I love Halloween, I also love like vintage Christmassy aesthetic, kitschy Christmassy aesthetic, and why not merge the two, as I'm already merging Halloween and Christmas together for Creepmas, because I don't know, I prefer the Halloween aesthetic. It's my whole channel's deal, you know. Anywho, I got this idea actually from watching, I think it's a video from last year, but by Salinda Nichols? By Salinda Nichols. I want to say that's how their name is pronounced. I'll leave their video down below. And Miss Monmon, who I've been following for a little while, did a video this year too, which made me super happy, on this same beautiful Christmas tree hat subject. Both of those videos will be down in the description. I highly suggest checking them out. Salinda Nichols' video has not just the Christmas tree, but a couple other vintage kitschy crafts that are really cute. And Miss Monmon's is specifically on the tree, and it's very pink and very cute. Anywho, I love these stinking hats so much, and I was torn. I knew I wanted to make one as soon as I saw Salinda Nichols' video, and that's actually the one Skeletina is wearing is the first one I made. And I loved it so much that I was like, I have to make a second one. So I have two now. One for me and her, right? I mean, it works out, really. And I like having two different heights because, you know, sometimes you don't want to be super tall. Sometimes you want a little short, squat friend. Anyway, super quick, easy project. It's helpful if you already have some of these little accoutrements at home. Like I have this tinsel left over from the decorations around the room in here. And I had these pom-poms. Actually, I bought these pom-poms for this season to do some of the crafts that I'm going to be doing, including this one. The beads I already had on hand. They're just like Halloween pony beads. I bought them for a completely different project and was like, these kind of would work as ornaments if I just hot glue them on, right? So here you are. I love this stupid hat so much. It's ridiculous. This project is quick, easy, highly suggest it. Let's get to it.
I started by tracing a party hat template that I printed out online onto some thin EVA craft foam, cut the shape out, and then hot glued the seams together, being careful not to burn the ever-living life out of my fingertips. Before I can decorate my tree, I need to hot glue the shit out of this tinsel, while trying to not hot glue the shit out of my fingertips, which was a difficult task. For my tree topper, I went with this small pumpkin that I drew a cute little jack-o'-lantern face onto with a Sharpie, and then carefully hot glued it to the top of the tree, making sure that I don't completely crush the tree, but also making sure that the glue will keep the little jack-o'-lantern in place. Now for the accoutrement, I doubled up pipe cleaners to make a mini garland and then wound it around the tree before adding any pom-poms, beads, and snowflake sequins. Lastly, I cut 2 pieces of ribbon and then sealed them with fire. Please be careful if you do this. And then hot glued them onto the hat, and my hat is done. The main thing that was different about my first hat from my second hat is that I used a dollar store party hat for the first hat and cut off about 4 inches from it because it was really tall. I also glued on mini pumpkins, the same kind that I used for the tree topper of my other hat, onto the base of this Christmas tree. Just, they're a little larger, stand out a lot more than the beads do. Then for the tree topper for this hat, I got a bigger foam pumpkin. It's still tiny, but And I drew with Sharpie a jack-o'-lantern face, and I'm just adding a little Mod Podge over the areas where I drew the jack-o'-lantern face on with Sharpie, and I'm going to sprinkle glitter over those. Just a little extra touch, totally not necessary and very messy. I highly suggest using a cardboard box for using glitter, just because it kind of contains that whole mess inside. But other than that, I actually really like how that came out.
If you have ideas for DIYs for us to try, comment them down below, like this video and subscribe if you want to see more creepy content. Thanks for watching and stay creepy.